made a list of promises to you. Just had to write them down and say them out loud.
Ito ang Calayo Beach Resort na matatagpuan sa bayan ng Nasugbu sa probinsya ng Batangas, na isa sa dinadayo dito sa probinsya ng Batangas ng mga turista dahil meron itong malinis na tubig at pinang buhangin at iba't ibang activity na pwedeng gawin dito tulad ng camping, island hopping at banana boat rides at marami pang iba. Kaya isa ito sa dinadayo. Bukod kasi sa malapit dito sa Manila, may enjoy mo din dito ang paliligo sa dagat. At bago mo ito marating kung galing ka sa Manila area, may enjoy mo din dito ang kalsadahan dahil sa mga scenic view na iyong makikita. At sa pagdaan sa pinakamahabang road tunnel sa Pilipinas, ito ang Kavieng Tunnel. Sa bidyong ito, sali samahan nyo kami sa kwento ng aming biyahe dito sa Calayo Beach Resort para i-celebrate ang birthday ng isa sa mga kaibigan namin dito sa Promise Beach Resort. At dahil nagkaroon ng pagkakataon, hindi na namin pinalagpas ang pagkakataon na bisitahin ang isang tagong paraiso dito sa Calayo. Ito ang Kairaang Cove. Sa katunayan, hindi ko din akalain na mayroong ganitong kagandang lugar dito sa Batangas na para sa akin, may tuturing paraiso dahil sa ganda nito.
Now I can't wait for the children we will raise. I hope that they have your heart and you smile. Well, it used to be their home was anywhere I was, and now it's only by your side. I wanna take the longest trail with you, the one that starts right when we say I do. From Mary Hall to Brianna Drive to Grand Marais and up the mountainside, we'll keep chasing this our love so true. Through thick and thin, and even when the world has other plans, no matter what we face and where we land, well, I will always be your man, be your man. I wanna take the longest trail with you, the one that starts right when we say I do. From Mary Hall to Brianna Drive to Grand Marais and up the mountainside, we'll keep chasing.
Okay mga ka-motivation, dali kamusta kayo? Panibagong araw, panibagong vlog yung gagawin natin ngayong araw na ito. Bali, nandito tayo ngayon sa may Naik, Cavite. Papasok na tayo dito sa may boundary ng Maragondon sa Naik, Cavite, sa may welcome arc nila. Bali, pupunta tayo ngayon na Nasugbu, Batangas. So magsuswimming tayo dun sa may dagat sa Calayo. Calayo ba yun? Calayo Beach Resort. Bali, may kasama tayo, yung dalawang kotse na nasa unahan natin, yan, yung sports car, tapos yung puting van dun sa unahan. Bali, yun ang magiging kasama namin sa biyahe ngayon. Kasama ko sa biyahe ngayon dahil magsuswimming kami dun sa dagat sa may Calayo Beach Resort. Bali, na-invite tayo ng kumpare ko dahil birthday ng asawa niya ngayon. Today is November 30, bali holiday, kaya napasama tayo. Bali, nandun sila sa sasakyan. Okay, nandito na tayo sa malapit sa Arco. Ayan, welcome to Maragondon. Bali, yan yung pinaka-boundary ng Naik, Cavite, tapos Maragondon, Cavite. Ayan, papasok na tayo. Welcome to Maragondon. Maragondon, Cavite na tayo. Lakas tumunog ng sports car. Lakas tumunog eh, no? Apat yung ano, pipe nya. Ito na tayo dito sa may pakanan, ayan, no? Kavieng, Ternate, Pico de Oro. Dito na tayo. Kanan tayo dito. Magagas up muna tayo dito sa may Uno Fuel dahil wala na tayong makikitang gasolina dito sa may bandang itaas. Magpo-full tank muna tayo dito sa may Uno Fuel dahil mura yung gasolina sa Uno Fuel. Dito ko lagi nagagas pagka aakit ako ng Kaibiyang Tunnel kasi medyo mura yung gas nila. Ito na mga motivation yung Uno Fuel dito sa may Maragondon. Magagas up muna ako dito para sigurado. Okay, mura kasing gasolina dito kaya mas pinipili ko dito maggas lagi. Okay, meron sila ditong 49.50, 51.90, 52.90. Yun yung gasolina nila dito. Okay, antay lang natin. Okay, go na. Bali 51.90 yung per liter dito mga kamotivation sa Uno ng unleaded. Okay, andun na sila. Habulin na lang natin. Lumaan na sila Dami nagra-rise ngayon. Saka kagandahan ng panahon, medyo makulimlim pa kahit na alas 7 na, medyo makulimlim pa. Pag-ahon pala dito, meron ng barrier dito na nilagay. Nung nakaraan kasing akyat ka dito, siguro 2 months ago or 1 month ago, ito nilagyan ng barrier. Matinding lusong kasi ito pag galing ka sa taas Tapos ito, paahon naman tayo. Ito yung para kang minamagnet pag dito ka banda na sa kalsada na to. Para kang minamagnet sa part na to Sobrang ahon kasi na to. Kahit wala akong angkas ramdam ko ang buwelo ng makina pag naahon Napaka-presko dito. Kaya ang sarap din talaga mag-rise dito papuntang Kaibiyang Tunnel Napaka-presko kasi ng dito daan pagka dito ka dumaan. Kahit na medyo tanghali na, napuno kasi dami motor. Overtake kayo. Dami motor na. Ay, holiday kasi. Grabe. Huwag tayo sumabay. Mamaya bebelo lang tayo. Dami nagsulputang mga motor Yan, kaliwa na tayo dito. Going to Kaibiyang Tunnel. Kaibiyang. Maraming namimitik dito. Try natin kung meron dito sa may bandang unahan. Ang daming motor wala. Maaga pa kasi. Dito tambahin nila Ay, ito pala sa unahan. Wala pa. Wala pang namimitik. Maaga pa kasi. Yan, tambayan to ng mga namimitik dito Naiwanan na ako. Bilis nila. May mga pag-landslide din pala dito nung nakaraang bagyo. Okay na yung kalsada dito, nalapara na. Nakaraan kasi ginagawa pa to eh. Uy, 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 uy. Huwag ka ma-overshoot. Ito, delikado dito. Ito, lalo na to, yung kurbada na to. Nakakatakot tong kurbada na to eh. Ano, pag di ka makapreno, diretso ka talaga dyan sa baba. Dami nagmumotor oh. Okay, malapit na tayo sa Kaibiang Tunnel. Sana nandito sila tumigil. Ang layo na nila. Unahan na natin yung mga ka-riders natin, mga kagulong natin. Okay, pagliko natin dito, ito na, matatanaw na natin yung Kaibiang Tunnel. Diretso na tayo pag wala sila dito. Traffic na dito, dami kasi nagpapapicture dito. Oh, wala sila, diretso na tayo. Ay, daming tao. Uy, fiesta. Ganito talaga dito pagka linggo, ayan, pag mga walang pasok, mga holiday. Fiesta sa Kaibiang Tunnel. Padilim. Okay. Busina sila, busina. Okay, diretso na tayo dahil napag-iwanan na tayo. Malamang layo na nila. Makakabuelo na sila dito eh. Pag-iwanan na tayo.
You leave me notes before you leave, and lipstick on the bathroom mirror. The way you love could part the sea. I'm thankful that you want me, dear. Do you think about how these paths will lead us to somewhere? Do you think about traveling and growing old? A couple of kids when I was holding your hair back. Now we got our own future, our own stretch and roll. The way you dress up on a warm night still gives me the shivers. I will confess you to the starlight when we go down to the river. Making up takes little time, because you laugh when you get mad. And when I wrap my arms around you, suddenly we just forget. Do you think about where we're living, kids in the front yard? Do you think about traveling and growing old? Put a couple of fences up so dogs don't escape when mailman delivers us a pot of gold. The way you dress up on one night still gives me the shivers. I will confess you to the starlight when we go down to the river. I used to fear the vast and great unknown, but now I'll never face that world alone. You leave me notes before you leave, in lipstick on the bathroom mirror. The way you love is shaking me. I'm thankful that you want me.
Eto na, mga kamotivation, yung pangalawang view deck. Kitang kita mo dito yung Patungan Beach yun. Nandun yung Patungan Beach. Yung maraming bahay na yun, oh. Naiwanan tayo, ang bilis nila. Ang dami na rin kainan dito, oh. Tindahan. Dami nag-aalok ng maligo sa Patungan Beach. Bali nakailang beses na kasi ako nakaligo dyan. Naka-overnight na rin. Okay din naman. Okay na yung kalsada dito. Tapos na. Ginagawa kasi ito nakaraan. Ang ganda na, oh. Wala na mga lubak. So yun, yung Patungan Beach. Landslide, oh. Dito mga kabuelo na dito. Medyo tuwid-tuwid na dito. Ito na ata yung pinaka last turn, eh. Ito na nga ata yun. Dito, ang ganda na dito, oh. Ganda ng kalsada dito. Tuwid.
I keep a contract in the back of the car, just in case somebody really wants to make me a star. I get in contact with celebrities, drop a demo with that manager that they'll never see. I guess it's our time, I accept the right time. It's never something that I will find, or you're just being too polite to tell me that this isn't for me. Leave a message saying that you're proud of me. You always thought I was a nobody. I'm tying my shoelaces and I wanna see your faces singing one before I die.
daanan na dito sa may kanto. Daming tao ha. Ano kayo meron? Parang may paayuda pa Christmas. Ito na, kanan na tayo dito. Ito na yun. Puntang Calayo Beach Resort. Isang diretso na kalsada na naman to. Mapapapiga na naman tayo. Ang ganda dito ah. Hataw din tayo eh. Nakabuntot lang tayo sa kasama natin na dalawang sasakyan na sa unahan. Ay no, may mga resort din pala dito. Ganda rin pala dito ah. Paahon to. Barracuda Beach Resort. Ganda ng kalsadahan din dito ah. Banayad. Dito marami ng mga resort dito. Ayan. Ay dito kami pumunta dati. Dito kami naman pumunta. Ito pala yung pinuntahan namin dati oh. Ayan oh, marami na ditong mga beach resort pag pumasok tayo dito. Ito pala yun. Hindi ko lang alam kung doon ulit kami sa pwesto namin dati. Meron ditong ano, checkpoint. Hay. Daming napasok dito. Yeah. Yun, bayad na. May entrance pala dito. Parang dati wala. Tambayan sa Calayo. Dami mga resort dito ngayon ah. Ay, kakaliwa. Ay. Eto. Ah, iba na naman. Dati kasi doon kami sa unahan eh. Iba na yung nakuha nila siguro yan oh. Ah, dito magpa-parking. Ah, okay. Mas okay dito ngayon ah. kaysa dati doon sa may bandang unahan kami. Uy, 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 madulas. Okay yung pwesto ngayon doon kayo sa kami sa kabila dati, madulas yung ano. Yun eto na tayo. Wagin ako. Okay,
Makalipas ang ilang oras na biyahe, narating na namin itong Promise Beach Resort na napili ng aming kaibigan para dito i-celebrate ang kanyang birthday. Kung nais niyong bisitahin itong resort nila, ilalabas ko na lang dito sa screen ang kanilang contact number para kung sakaling may katanungan kayo, pwede nyo silang i-message. Makatapos magpahinga, naghanda na din ng pagkain para magsalo-salo sa dalang handa.
When the candles blew out, I was dismantled and lost it. The summer winds came with your voice so soft and the ocean moved. When I first saw you, I swear the ocean moved. You took my hand, I felt my heartbeat rising. I slowed you down, saying, don't go. The way I wanted you so surprising. You looked back and said, I know. So where we're going, you won't need a suitcase, baby, right now. Why don't you lie down for a minute before you just leave town? I'm gonna make you make the sweetest of sounds. I want you.
Was a dark night, but there just happened to be just enough glow from the street light hitting your face just right, letting me see how you could not hide what we both did and say. Our eyes were both asking, did you feel it too? How the ocean just moved when you looked my way.
So where we're going, you won't need a suitcase, baby, right now. Why don't you lie down for a minute before you just leave town? I'm gonna make you make the sweetest of sounds. I want you. Let your moves be my percussion and your body the sound. And baby, if you would leave, I'd be so blue. The only version of me I like is when I'm next to you. I felt my heartbeat rising. I slowed you down, saying, don't go. The way I wanted you back and said, I know. Said where we're going, you won't need a suitcase, baby, right now. Why don't you lie down for a minute before you just leave town? I'm gonna make you make the sweetest of sounds. I want you. Let your moves with my percussion and your body the sound. Let your moves with my percussion and your body the sound. See where we're going, you won't need a suitcase, baby, right now. Why don't you lie down for a minute before you just leave town? I'm gonna make you make the sweetest of sounds. I want you.
It was a dark night, but there just happened to be just enough glow from the streetlight hitting your face just right, letting me see how you could not hide what we both did and say. Our eyes were both asking, did you feel it too? How the ocean just moved when you looked my way.
Where we're going, you won't need a suitcase, baby, right now. Why don't you lie down for a minute before you just leave town? I'm gonna make you make the sweetest of sounds. I want you. Let your moves with my percussion and your body the sound. Let your moves with my percussion and your body the sound. And baby, if you would leave, I'd be so blue. The only version of me I like is when I'm next to you. You took my hand, I felt my heartbeat rising. I slowed you down, saying, don't go. The way I wanted you was so surprising. You looked back and said, I know. Said where we're going, you won't need a suitcase, baby, right now. Why don't you lie down for a minute before you just leave town? I'm gonna make you make the sweetest of sounds. I want you. Let your moves with my percussion and your body the sound. Let your moves with my percussion and your body the sound.
Pre, anong pupuntahan natin doon, pre? Ha? Isla. Pre. Pero, kabila tayo, pre. Kabila. Ayun na, rinigarda dyan. Pero maganda dito. Bawal na. Sakay tayo sa bangka, no? 2.5, no? Ilang oras yun? Sakay na! Sakay! Mauna muna ako si Video. Sakay!
Sa puntong ito, nagrenta ang aming kaibigan ng bangka para puntahan ang Tagum Paraiso dito sa Calayo. Ito, ang Kairaang Cove. Kung nais nyo pala puntahan ito, magbabayad kayo ng 2,500 para sa bangka, para sa 10 tao. Pero kung lalagpas kayo sa 10, pagdadagdag kayo na 250 pesos para sa isang tao. At hanggang narating na namin ang Kairahang Cove. Marami ang dumadayo dito dahil sa linaw ng tubig at nakaka-relax na tanawin habang naliligo sa dagat.
Ice cream yummy!
Di pa tayo makakagilid doon, pre? Di tayo makakagilid doon?
Pero palipad drone, pre. Walang problema, pre.
everything she wanted in this life. Cassette tapes in the deck, so tired of living in slow motion. The answer's always short, 1,000 miles. Well, I know one thing, girls ain't tied away. If you try to lock her down, she'll take the fire escape. She said, please send pictures of home, 'cause I was born for life on the road. There ain't no part of me that's alone, and every right thing just feels so wrong. Says, Mr. Johnston, sir, how do you like your coffee? I'm gonna own this building someday. He said, listen up, my dear, more working and less talking. This man only saw her one way. Well, I know one thing, she's a fiery ring. If you try to close the door, she'll find some glass to break. Well, she said, please send pictures of home, 'cause I was born for life on the road. There ain't no part of me that's alone, and every right thing just feels so wrong. Please send pictures